మనం ఇండెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లోని ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. సెకండ్ రౌండ్లోని 1 to 16 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈరోజు ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 17 నుంచి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అనేది చేయడం జరిగింది. అలాగే ఈ యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా చక్కగా ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అలాగే మీకు ఈ క్లాసెస్ క్లియర్గా అర్థమైనట్లయితే నానాజీ గొన్నాబద్దుల అనే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తారని, లేటెస్ట్ నోటిఫికేషన్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ సింబల్ మీద ప్రెస్ చేస్తారని కోరుకుంటూ టుడే క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. టుడే క్లాస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 17. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ cosecant square x by 1 plus a plus b cot x in whole power of 5 into dx. Integration of cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole power of 5 into dx. ఫంక్షన్ మొత్తాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాత మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. పుట్ a plus b cot x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Constant differentiation is 0. b into d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. So multiply చేస్తే minus b cosecant square x into dx is equal to dt. Only cosecant square x dx వాల్యూ మాత్రమే ఉంది కానీ రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ is equal to రైట్ చేయండి. cosecant square x dx is equal to minus 1 by b into dt. Minus 1 by b into dt. So integration of cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole power of 5 into dx. Integration of cosecant square x dx. Cosecant square x dx means minus 1 by b into dt by a plus b cot x means t, that means t power of 5. Here minus 1 by b is the constant, so minus 1 by b integration of t power of 1 by t power of 5 value in t power of minus 5 into dt minus 1 by b into integration of x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So t power of 5, t power of minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus c. So minus 1 by b into t power of minus 4 by minus 4 plus c. Minus 4 plus c. So minus into minus is plus. 1 by 4b into t power of 4 plus c. 1 by 4b into t means a plus b cot x whole power of 4 plus c. This is problem number 17. Next problem number 18. Integration of e power of x into sin e power of x dx. Put e power of x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. E power of x into dx is equal to dt. Integration of e power of x into sin e power of x dx. E power of x to dx. E power of x into dx means dt. Sin e power of x is t. Integration of sin t into dt. Integration of sin t is minus cos t plus c. Minus cos t means e power of x. Minus cos e power of x plus c. This is problem number 18. Next problem number 19. Integration of sin of log x by x into dx. Put log x is equal to some constant t. differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Log x की differentiation is 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Integration of sin of log x by x into dx. Integration of sin of log x means t. Log x means t. Dx into 1 dx. Dx by x means dt. Dx by x means dt. Integration of sin t is minus cos t plus c. This implies minus cos t means log x minus cos of log x plus c. This is problem number 19. Problem number 20. Integration of 1 by x log x. 1 by x log x into dx. Put log x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Integration of 1 by x log x into dx. Integration of 1 by log x. 1 by log x means t. Dx by x. Dx by x means dt. Dx by x means dt. Integration of 1 by x is log mod x. Integration of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. This implies log mod t means log x. So log of log x plus c. Log of log x plus c. Problem number 20. Next problem number 21. Integration of 1 plus log x whole power of n by x into dx. Put 1 plus log x is equal to some constant t. 1 plus log x is equal to some constant t. 1 की differentiation is 0. Log x की differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Integration of 1 plus log x whole power of n by x into dx. Integration of 1 plus log x means t, that means t power of n. Dx by x. Dx by x means dt. Integration of x power of n is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of t power of 1 is t power of 1 plus n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This implies t means 1 plus log x whole power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is problem number 21. Next problem number 22. Integration of cos of log x. Cos of log x by x into dx. Question number 22. Put log x is equal to some constant t. Log x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Integration of cos of log x means t. Cos t. Dx by x. Dx by x means dt. Integration of cos t. Sin t plus c. Sin t means log x. So sin of log x plus c. This is problem number 22. Next problem number 23. Integration of cos root x by root x into dx. Put root x is equal to t. Root x is equal to t. d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. 2 అనే టర్మ్ మనకి డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతాకి వెళ్తే ఇంటూ చేస్తాం. సో dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. Integration of cos root x by root x into dx. Cos root x by integration of cos root x means t by dx by root x. Dx by root x means 2 dt. Here 2 is the constant. 2 into integration of cos t dt. Integration of cos t means sin t plus c. 2 into sin t means root x. So 2 sin root x plus c. This is problem number 23. Problem number 24. Integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Denominator లో ఉండే వాల్యూ సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ t అని అనుకోండి. x square plus x plus 1 is equal to some constant t. Differentiation అప్లై చేయండి. x square differentiation is 2x. x differentiation is 1 is equal to dt by dx. Cross multiplication అప్లై చేస్తే dx is equal to dt. Integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Integration of 2x plus 1 into dx means dt. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. So integration of 1 by t dt is equal to log mod t plus c. This implies log mod t means x square plus x plus 1 plus c. This is problem number 24. Next problem number 25. Integration of ax power of n minus 1 by bx power of n plus c into dx. Put bx power of n plus c is equal to some constant t. Here b is the constant. d by dx of x power of n into x power of n minus 1 plus constant differentiation is 0 is equal to dt by dx. Cross multiplication apply చేస్తే dx is equal to dt. So bn here constant. So bn term is equal alternate చేస్తే divide. So x power of n minus 1 dx is equal to 1 by bn into dt. 1 by bn into dt. Integration of ax power of n minus 1 dx by b into x power of n plus c. Integration of a into x power of n minus 1 into dx means 1 by bn into dt by whole by bx power of n plus c means t. So a by bn is the constant. A by bn is the constant. Remaining 1 by t into dt. A by bn into integration of 1 by t log mod t plus c. A by bn into log mod t means bx power of n plus c plus c. This is problem number 25. Problem number 26. Integration of 1 by x log x into log of log x into dx. Put log of log x is equal to some constant t. Log of log x is equal to some constant t. Log x की derivation is 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by log x. Inner derivative of log x is 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. So cross multiplication apply చేయండి. dx by x log x. dx by x log x is equal to dt. Integration of 1 by x log x into log of log x into dx. Integration of dx by dx into 1 dx by x log x, dx by x log x is dt. By remaining value, log of log x value is t. Log of log x value is t. Integration of 1 by t log mod t plus c. Log mod t means log of log x. Log of log x plus c. Problem number 26. Problem number 27. Integration of cot hx dx. Integration of cot hx means cos hx by sin hx into dx. Put sin hx is equal to some constant t. Both side differentiation of d by dx of sin hx cos hx into dx equal to dt. Integration of cos hx to dx. Cos hx to dx means dt by sin hx means t. Integration of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. This implies log mod t means sin hx plus c. Problem number 27. Problem number 28. Integration of 1 by 1 minus 4x square into root dx. ఫార్ములా రూపంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి సింపుల్గా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. 1 by 1 మైనస్ 4x స్క్వేర్లోంచి 4 కామన్ చేసినట్లయితే 1 by 4 మైనస్ x స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఇంటూ dx. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So 1 by 2 into root of 1 by 4 value ni 1 by 2 whole square minus x square into dx. Here 1 by 2 is the constant. Integration of 1 by 2 whole square minus x square root. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square root into dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Sin inverse x by a plus c. So 1 by 2 into sin inverse x means x, a means 1 by 2 plus c. So 1 by 2 sin inverse ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతే మనకి 2x by 1 or 2x plus c. So 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x plus c. This is problem number 28. Problem number 29. Integration of dx by 25 plus x square root. Integration of dx by root of 25 plus x square. Integration of dx by 5 whole square plus x square root. Integration of dx by a square plus x square root is equal to sin h inverse x by a plus c. Integration of dx by square root of a square plus x square is equal to sin h inverse x by a plus c. So sin h inverse x by a means 5 plus c. So sin h inverse x by 5 plus c. Problem number 29. Next problem number 30. Important problem. Integration of 1 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 root into dx. Put x plus 2 is equal to some constant t square. This implies x plus 3 is equal to t square plus 1. Both side one term add చేస్తే x plus 2 plus 1 x plus 3 t square plus 1. Differentiation apply చేద్దాం. dx is equal to 2t into dt. dx is x square, t square differentiation is 2t into dt. Integration of dx means 2t dt by x plus 3 means t square plus 1. So root of x plus 2 is equal to t square. Square की root cancel అయితే remaining values and root t square. Square की root की cancel. Here 2 is the constant. t dt by t square plus 1 into t. t cancel. 2 into integration of dt by 1 plus t square or t square plus 1. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. So 2 tan inverse x means t. 2 tan inverse t plus c. So 2 tan inverse x plus 2 is t square. Square in it value is equal to the root అవుతుంది. So t is equal to x plus 2 root plus c. This is problem number 30. మీకు ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 17 నుంచి 30 వరకు కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అలాగే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్లో ఏవైనా చిన్న డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీకు కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలియపరుస్తారని, అలాగే టుమారో రిమైనింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కండక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్.